Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find where does Microsoft Teams store your meeting recording. So let's get started. So the first place is OneDrive. So these are stored in OneDrive, including the meeting chat recordings. So you can simply go to OneDrive and you can open the specific folder, such as you can go to My Files and then you'll be able to see a recordings folder. So you can simply open that over here and you can download that. Some of the meetings are also shared in SharePoint. So you can simply head over to the specific channel in SharePoint and go to recordings and download them from there. So you can also open your meetings chat over here. Simply go to chats and you'll be able to see your recordings listed in the chat if you have any. So you can simply click on the three dots right next to it and you can either open in OneDrive or open in SharePoint and download it from there. So that was basically how you can find your Microsoft Teams meeting recording. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.